In this video, we are going to learn decimal representation to identify irrational numbers. A number having non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion is an irrational number. What we studied in the rational number in the previous video, rational number means it's terminating or non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion. Here it's irrational number is having non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion. Example, we can have root 2, root 3, root 7, root 5, root 11. Like that, we can have plenty of examples. Now we can learn how we can find root 3 or how we can prove root 3 is an irrational number. Now we are going to find the square root of 3. It's between 1 square and 2 square. Therefore, I am taking 1. It's 1. You subtract this, it's 2. You keep decimal and you can put some zeros. Right, children? Any number of zeros we can take here. Here also you keep decimal point. Multiply the quotient by 2. It becomes 1 into 2 is 2. Now we have to write numbers in both the places. That is 7 I am writing. So you take 2 zeros here. Okay, children, you have to take 2 zeros in set. 7 sevens are 49. 4 is balance. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Subtract this. It's 11. You take 2 zeros. Clear, children? Now again you double this. 17 into 2. It becomes 34. We have to write a number here. It becomes 340 something. Am I right? So this we can take 3 times approximately. Just you check. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. So it's 10. You can subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2, it's 7. Now again you can double this. It becomes 346. Take 2 more zeros. Here you can take 2 times. So 2 into 3462. It's 4 times. 12, 2 times, 1 balance, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 3s are 6. Again you can subtract this. It becomes 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 2, 7. Again 10 minus 9 is 1. Again you can take 2 more zeros. Now again you double this. This becomes 3464. Okay, children. Here if you are putting some number, even if you are taking one time, it becomes 34,000 something. Here we have only 17,000. So I can put only 0. Okay, children. So here 0, here also 0. After that you take 2 more zeros. Right, children. Now we have to go for another number. Let it be 5. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, children. Then 5 4s are 20. 2 balance. 5 6 are 30, 32. 3 balance. 5 4s are 20, 23. 2 balance. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Now you can subtract this. Okay, children. So like that you have to continue. Therefore we can write root 3 is equal to 1.73205, etc. Okay, children, this is the value for root 3. Like this you can find for all irrational numbers. So you just practice for root 2, root 7, root 5 and so on. Right, children? Now we have to learn the properties. If A is a rational number, B is an irrational number. Okay, children? A is rational, B is irrational. So now we are taking A plus root B, that is one rational number, another one is irrational. We are adding both. After that we are subtracting both. Then third one we are multiplying both. Then fourth one and fifth one we are dividing. Okay, children? So all these numbers are irrational numbers. You must know that. Okay, children? If you are considering one rational number and irrational number, if you are operating it, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, we are getting only irrational number. Example they given here, I consider one rational number is 4, irrational number root 5. We are adding both, we are getting 4 plus root 5, it's irrational. 4 minus root 5 is irrational. 4 into root 5 is also irrational. Even in division also, irrational numbers we are getting. Please keep it in your mind. Even objective they can ask like that. Now exercise 2.3. First one, represent the following irrational numbers on the number line. First we can go for first subdivision, that is root 3. Okay, children, this we have to mark in the number line. For that you draw a line right, children, and you have to mark A at one end. Now 3 centimeters you have to mark. 1, 2, 3. So this I am taking as B. Now I have to extend 1 more centimeter, that is C. Right, children? Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector for AC. You take convenient radius and cut the arc. From A also you have to cut 2 arcs on the previous arcs. Now you can join this. While joining you are getting the perpendicular bisector. Right, children? So let it be O. Now you have to draw a semicircle by considering O as center and OA as radius. So we are getting, okay, children, here we drawn one semicircle. Now you have to draw a perpendicular line from B. So we are getting a perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line. If you want, you can join this. Let it be D. Now we have to take BDS radius and draw an arc like this. BDS radius, I drawn the arc. Let it be E. Now BE distance, that is distance from this B to E. This distance is root of 3. Clear, children? So like this, you have to do the rest of the two sums. Second question, find any two irrational numbers between first one 0.301 00 11 000 111 and so on, and the next number is 0.302 00 2 000 2 etc. Okay, children, these two are irrational numbers. Find any two irrational numbers between these two. Okay, children, here you have to say 30, here also 30. Only the third decimal place varies, that is 1, and here it's 2. Clear, children? So now we can easily write more number of irrational numbers. I am writing the first one, answer 0.301. It should be more than this, am I right? So I am taking 20 200 2 000 etc. Next one I am writing 0.301 303 003 000 etc. Like this we can write plenty of irrational numbers between the given two irrational numbers. Clear, children? Now we can go for the second one. 6 by 7. This first we have to divide and write in the decimal form, then only easily we can find the irrational numbers between this. Right, children? So you can find this. You divide by 7, we can't divide, therefore 0 point, you can put on 0, it's 60. 60 will get 8 times. After that 4 balance 40, so it's 5. 5 balance 50, so it's 7. 1 balance 1 time. 3 balance 30, it's 4. It's 2 balance 20, it becomes 2 times. Okay, children? After that 6 balance 60, that is 8. So again the term repeats, so I am going to use bar here. Okay, children? So if the same thing which repeats, we can use bar. So here the value is 0.857142 bar. The same terms will repeat. Okay, children? Like that you have to divide 12 divided by 13, which is equal to 0 point. 12 you can't divide by 13 directly, so it's 0 times. So I can put one more 0. 13 nines are 117. So 3 balance, so 30 2 times. So 4 balance 40 3 times. 39 1 balance. So it's 0. Am I right? 10. It's again 100. 100 means we are getting 7 times. 9 balance 90. 90 means we are getting 6 times. Okay, children? 6 times. So 12 balance, we are getting the same 12 again. So the same terms will repeat. Clear, children? This you can do by long division. Here I done everything in my mind. Okay? But you have to do by long division and you have to do it. Clear, children? Now we are going to find two irrational numbers between these two. Answer. Here it's very simple. 0.85 is there. In the next one 0.92 is there. Am I right? So 0.86 0 600 6000 etc. Next number I am taking 0.87 0 7 007 000 etc. So these are the two irrational numbers between these two. Like this we can write plenty of numbers. Third one, root 2 value. Root 2 is equal to 1.41421 and so on. Right children? Root 3 value, which will be 1.732 etc. Right children? Right. Now we can write two irrational numbers between this. It's very clear that 1.4 and 1.7. Between this we have to find out. Therefore the answer is first one 1.42 I am going. Okay, 41 is there, so I am taking 2, 0, 200, 200 and so on. One more number we can write 1.430, 300, 3000 etc. So in both the cases you have to put that. Okay children, this is two irrational numbers here I written between root 2 and root 3. Third sum, find any two rational numbers between 2.236 0679 etc. Next is 2.236 50 5500 etc. Okay children, here just you have a look. See, 2.236 is same in both. It's very important. This you have to identify. Now we can write the rational numbers easily. We need only two rationals they asked. We can write plenty of rational numbers between given two irrational numbers. This is 2.2361. This is one irrational number. Am I right? It's terminating. This we can express as 22361. How many decimals we moved? 4. So this we can written as divided by 10,000. Next number I am writing 2.2362, which is equal to 22362 divided by 4 zeros we have to consider, so it's again 10,000. Clear children? These are the required two numbers between given two irrational numbers. So please go through the theory part and make it thorough with this particular concept. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet in the next video.